Hey everyone, can AI beat you at rock, paper, scissors? Welcome back to Kodex Academy. Today we are taking the classic rock, paper, scissors game and giving it an AI twist using machine learning for kids. We will train our AI to recognize your moves, learn from the examples, and challenge you in this epic game of rock, paper, scissors. So, can you outsmart the AI? So, let's jump into Scratch and start coding. So first, we'll open our browser and here we'll type machine learning for kids. And now I'm going to open this first option in new tab. If you have your own account, you can log in or directly you can click on get started. Here I'm going to click on try it now. Great. Now we are going to create a new project named rock, paper, scissors. The project type is recognizing images because we are going to train our model by different images of our hand poses. Storage is same in our web browser. Okay, great. Our project is created. Now we'll click on it and we are going to train. Here we are going to create three different models. One is rock, another one is paper, and the last one is scissors. So we are going to create different poses of rock, paper, and scissors in front of our web camera, and on the basis of these images, we'll train our model. Okay, so I'll click on add new label, and here first I will give the name rock. Add. Here you can use your webcam, any draw, or you can use the file which you can upload over here, and based on that you can train your model. I just click on webcam. Here you can see the plain screen in front of my webcam. You can see this symbol which will assure you this page is accessing our camera. Now I will make different poses related to rock like this. And in the same way I will add more than 10 images. Again webcam. In different direction you can create the poses. It will train your model well. If sometime image is not uploaded correctly, you can delete it and re-upload the correct image. So you can see I have uploaded 11 images for the rock, which represent how we can make rock by hand. Now we'll make new label, that is paper. Add. And here also the same, will train our model by using webcam. Add. Here also different images you can add to show the paper form. You can use different sides of the hand so your model will train better. Great. You can see 15 images we have uploaded for paper. Now the last label we are going to create, that is scissors. Okay, great. Now we are going to upload the images of scissors over here by using our webcam. Like this. Great. As much data you are uploaded, your model will train better. You can see around 15 images of scissors we have added. Now what we are going to do? Back to project, and here you can click on learn and test. You can see over here we have collected 11 examples of rock and 15 examples of paper and scissors. Now we'll click on train new machine learning model. It takes few seconds to prepare the data. Great. Now you can use webcam, or you can draw, or upload the file to test. Here I'm going to use the webcam. I'll make the pose in front of the webcam and we'll check how well our model is trained. I'll click on test. See, it's recognized as scissors with 99% confidence. So our model is trained well. Now what I'm going to do, I'll just click on back to project and go straight to make. Now we'll go to Scratch 3 and here we'll click on open in Scratch 3. Amazing. This is our Scratch screen. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will go into project template because it's already available with the basic coding. Only we do few changes to attach the correct variable on the correct place and our project is ready. So we'll go to project template and here I'm going to upload rock, paper and scissors. This one. Here you can see this is your move and this is your computer move, right? So your photo will go over here and the computer move will show over here. Now what we are going to do? Here you can see we have our block rock, paper, scissors. Our three labels are available. Also the video sensing block is available. Now this is our sprite, your move, this one. And here we need to set our labels. So go to rock, paper, scissors block and take these labels. Rock here, paper here, and scissor, paper here, and scissor here. Now, when I receive new move, whenever we'll receive new move, what should be our action over here? We'll take recognize image. Which image? That is the costume images which we have uploaded, right? Costume images are nothing but the sprites. And it's done. Do you want to check how well you train AI to play rock, paper, scissors? Here we go. Oh, I did mistake. Here, instead of rock, I use paper. Change this block. Now go to full screen and enjoy the game. I'll click on the green flag and press P. It's rock. So it's showing it's draw. Great. Again rock. Oh, computer wins. Now I'll change my movement. Now again press P. Scissor. Oh, I win this time. Now try again. Paper. Oh, I win again. Again. Okay, we'll try one more time. And this time paper. Oh, computer win. You see how easy it is to train your machine and enjoy your game, right? Try this and tell me if it is work for you. I'm waiting for your comment. And if you want this project and all other project without starting from zero, you can go to TPT where you will find out all our Scratch project with SB3 file, worksheets and assignments. So check out our Kodex Academy bundles on TPT. The link in the description. We are also providing online classes on Scratch and robotics. You can visit our website and contact us. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.